What's the meaning of bubbly? Bubbly. Bubbly.
Bubbly. Bubbly. The term bubbly refers to a person or thing that is effervescent, lively, and energetic. It can be used to describe someone who is outgoing, enthusiastic, and cheerful in demeanor, or a drink that is carbonated and has a lot of bubbles. The word conveys a sense of excitement and positivity, and is often associated with celebrations, good times, and happiness. A bubbly personality can be infectious and uplifting, while a bubbly drink can be refreshing and enjoyable. Overall, the term bubbly carries a connotation of liveliness and vibrancy.